And this is Jupiter part 3, the positives. This is how to use Jupiter to its best advantage. When you get it, that Jupiter is actually a spin and a hype and it's just full of hot air, and that Jupiter's first approach is always to go, yeah, I can do this for you, we can do that, or yes, I'm big, I can help this, I can do this, great, fine. No. Jupiter, in a positive one, is the one who says, can I watch? Can I offer a little bit of advice? This is how you might try and do it. Rather than I'll do it for you, this is how you might try. Jupiter is the teacher. Jupiter is the king of the gods. He's bigger than the rest of the planets in the sky put together. You cannot argue with Jupiter. Jupiter is the vacuum cleaner that soaks up most of the comets, the asteroids, the lumps of rock that might otherwise affect us. Jupiter's the grandfather figure that looks after the solar system. Jupiter does bring growth and optimism. He is Jove, after all. He brings joviality, he brings humour, he brings hope. A good Jupiter, a strong Jupiter, something like a strong Jupiter sextile Mercury, possibly a Jupiter opposite Mars, certainly any Jupiter-Uranus or Jupiter-Mercury combinations will bring a sense of wit, of open, fast humour. That is not so much the more saturnine or plutonic dark humour. It is more the wit, the snappy, the mimic, the stand-up comic. This is Jupiterian humour. Jupiter makes you laugh even through the tears. Not only does he bring optimism, hope and humour, he also helps you come to an accommodation in yourself with your own personal ideas concerning religion, theology, belief systems, and one's personal tenets and philosophies. Look at the position of Jupiter in your chart by sign and by house. Add the aspects in to give you your own specific kinks. And then you'll find that what you've got is a pretty good summary of your own personal belief systems, which 98% of the time go along with the laws of the land and go along with the same philosophies, broadly speaking, as everyone else. But if you have a healthy Jupiter, then secretly you're going to be living life by your own rules. And if it happens to fit with the law of the land, great. And if it doesn't, well, you'll just get on with it anyway and keep quieter. As people age, I find that with positive Jupiters, both they become less voluble, less over the top, knowing that they can do things and choosing not to is a real power statement. And people with positive Jupiter positions know the power of inaction. They do grow to be wise. The domain of the wise is ruled by Jupiter, and the domain of the wise brings wisdom. Often people with what I see as slightly wacky Jupiters and healthy Jupiters, I often refer to them as virtual black pointed hat, because they've all got a degree of kind of unknown knowledge about them that's borderline uncanny. It's a twinkle in the eye and the ability to say just the right old wives' tale at just the right time. This is the mark of a positive Jupiter. They do grow old in a way that's almost sardonic. They normally grow old in a way that brings lots of fun and laughter into their lives. A healthy Jupiter is a good position. If you have one, be grateful with it and use it to spread knowledge to others. Whether it be in bookbinding, publishing, writing, teaching, broadcasting. If you've got a good Jupiter, don't hesitate to use it for the benefit of the world. Broadcast yourself, get out there in the world, and you'll be glad you did. It'll bring a great deal more humour into your lives and the world around you. With positive Jupiter, 2 and 2 equals 5. Okay, that's it. Catch you later. Enjoy. Bye.